Hey, Two Mix, this is Dominic and Kayla again, give you guys another weekly update. Your underslab plumbing has been completed and it's already passed inspection. We're now moving over to getting the home site prepared for pouring your concrete slab. Our gravel guy is actually here now, slowly filling your foundation with gravel. He's going to level that out, and then the concrete will get poured on it next. That's going to be our main focus for the next 2 weeks, is getting all this prepared. Once that's done, we will have your framing material delivered and start getting your home built up. Reach out if you got any questions. You guys have a great one.